Hello everyone. In this video today we are going to see how did I make this beautiful coffee table. So this is a coffee table. Here you can see there will be an incense holder. There are waterfalls, this little tiny tracer, and this is the incense holder. There will be some houses. There's a tree, coconut tree, boat, and this is a mobile stand. At first I used some cardboard and make it into a cone shape to give a volcano effect. I used this orange color and yellow color, and I made this kind of portal so that I can put my incense inside, and it looks like this. Wow. And this is the table what I'm going to change. That's my son. Yes, this table was very old. I made it from that engineer wood bed. I cut it and then I made it. Here my son is helping me to make a mountain. I use foam green color, then I glued it into a cardboard and made it into a cone shape so that it will look like a mountain. I'm making some mountain over here. As you can see, I have glued some foam and covered it with plaster of Paris and some putty also. I used my finger. This is so messy work actually, so I'm giving a rough shape as it won't be like a smooth surface, so it's like a mountain and rock effect I'm trying to give it. So just vigorously I'm just applying it on the foam sheet or this cardboard whatever I have given inside. Actually I missed to film all of this. Now to make some bushes and greenery, I just added, not me, this is my son, he added a little bit of green and yellow color foam, and I'll just paste it using glue. I just gave him this work because it is super fun. It's like a project to him, so he was very helpful. Oh my god, these are so beautiful. I got it from Amazon. These tiny little miniature houses. I got 4 around, like it will be 100 bucks or something, 100 or 200 bucks. These are so beautiful, so I'm going to use them. And these are a little bit heavier as it seems, but just look at the texture. These are so beautiful.
Hi, my name is June, right? And I'm painting a mountain. So, peach color I'm first taking halfly, then I'm touching a little front, then I spread it everywhere. Backwards also I spread it.
Here I'm trying to give a little bit depth to the rocks what I have created here. I'm just rubbing it using my finger so that the darker part will it will look like some kind of rock effect. It will come. This is the real moss what I'm using here. I will just use my heat gun or glue gun just to paste them. I'm using my brush here just to push the moss inside so that it won't come easily. So this is the final part what I have done here. I just pasted everything, colored everything, and now I'm just looking where to put the houses and the waterfall where it will look good, because they are not coming out easily. Once I will put my resin here, after that it won't come out easily. So I just pasted here the trees, the bushes, what I got from the aquarium shop. And yes, this is the final part. Just look at this, so beautiful. I just made some pathway, and these are the waves what I have created. Now I am mixing my resin so that I can pour it on the top of it. I'm mixed my part A, part B, and then I'm just spreading it on the table. I missed to wear the gloves and the mask. I didn't take any precautions. Yes, exactly. Because of that, I'm getting skin allergy also sometimes. This is the part where I'm trying to create some waves using my heat gun to push the white color, and it will give a web effect. Yeah, it did actually. Okay, where is your mom, Dhruv? Sleeping. Okay, what is it?
What is it?
This one.
This is a volcano.
Okay.
And this is many houses.
Show me, show me, show me.
This is my mother's house. This is my father's house. This is my house.
Okay, this is blue color. It's your
And
favorite
this
or
is
what?
a little mountain.
Okay.
And this is a boat.
Okay.
And this is the ocean actually.
Okay.
And the white circles are glow in the dark.
Oh, will it glow?
It is blue. And these are seaweeds.
Wow, is that a little mermaid over there?
Which
Here, wow.
this is a mermaid tail only.
Okay, mermaid tail.
And this is a treasure chest, a mini one.
Oh, okay.
And this is a waterfall.
Oh,
These stone types, these are rocks actually.
okay.
And this is bushes and this is mountain.
Ha.
The peach color ones are mountain.
Did you make it?
Yes.
You helped your mom? What are the things you made here?
This is a full ocean.
Okay.
And this are the seaweeds.
Oh, you helped your mom building this?
Yes.
Okay.
And this is a
What is that, volcano?
this is a volcano.
Okay.
And this is a mini mountain.
Wow.
And this
Is it a coffee table, Dhruv?
is a coffee table. And this is a coconut tree.
Oh, nice.
Here is coconuts.
Where it is coconut? There is no coconut over there.
And this is rocks.
Wow.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And
Oh,
there's a mountain right here also. One mountain is here, one mountain is here.
Okay.
And this is a holiday spot.
that is a holiday spot. Okay, show me your holiday spot. It's over a canyon.
It's this. We can drive the boat to go to the holiday spot like this.
Like how? Oh.
And we will park our boat right here. And we'll go in.
You will not park your boat. You will dock your boat.
We'll dock our boat here.
And you will not ride the boat. You will sail the boat.
We will sail our boat and we'll keep dock it right here.
Okay.
And this is the gate and this is the window.
This is very cute, Dhruv.
And this is the chimney.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, this is very nice, Dhruv.
This stone.
No, everything. It is very nice. You helped your mom, no?
Yes.
Okay.